Hey there, ever heard the term money laundering? No, it's not about cleaning your dirty money in a washing machine. Money laundering is the process of hiding the true origin of money earned from illegal activities, so it looks like it came from a legal source. Let's say Bob is into some shady business. Ow, he's sitting on a pile of cash. But here's the problem, he can't just walk into a bank and dump all that cash in his account. Because the bank will ask questions, and if Bob says, "Oh, I sold stolen watches," well, he's going straight to jail. So, what does Bob do? He opens a small jewelry shop that sells rings and watches. He even hires a few employees, but he doesn't care if the store actually makes sales. It's just a cover. Bob takes that dirty money he made from shady business and starts mixing it with the store's income. Let's say the shop makes $200 and he secretly adds $800 of his illegal money to it. Then he tells the bank, "My shop made $1,000 today." The bank sees that the money is coming from a legit jewelry store. His dirty money is now clean on paper. Although modern money laundering methods vary greatly, most share three basic steps. Placement is the first step. This is when criminals take money they got through illegal activities and try to make it look like it came from a legal source. One way they do this is by putting the money into a bank account that belongs to a fake company. The second step is called layering. This means they move the money around many times so no one can tell where it originally came from. They might send it through different bank accounts or use it to buy things like fancy cars, expensive paintings, or houses. These things can later be sold to get clean money. The last step is integration. Now that the money looks clean, the criminal starts using it in the real world. They might open a real business and pretend the money is from customers, using fake bills or paperwork. So you might be thinking, if we know how money laundering works, why can't we stop it? First, criminals move money across many countries. Thanks to modern banking and the internet, money can travel from one place to another in just seconds. They hide behind fake names and fake companies. These companies only exist on paper. Their only purpose is to hide the money. There are just too many money transactions happening every day. It's impossible for banks and governments to check them all. Lastly, certain places are known for helping people hide money. These places are called tax havens. Panama, the Cayman Islands. They make it easy for rich people or criminals to keep their money secret and safe from the law. One of the biggest money laundering cases in history. Danske Bank is the biggest bank in Denmark. For many years, one of its small branches in Estonia was secretly being used to move huge amounts of illegal money. People used fake companies to hide where the money really came from. Between 2007 and 2015, more than 200 billion euros passed through this branch. Most of this money came from Russia and nearby countries. In 2018, the truth finally came out. The Estonian branch was shut down. Danske Bank had to pay over $2 billion in fines. Some of the people involved were also charged with crimes. Example 1. Pablo Escobar was one of the richest and most feared criminals in history. He made billions by smuggling cocaine into the United States in the 1980s. At one point, he was making $420 million every week. First, he bought thousands of properties and businesses in Colombia. He used fake names, fake companies, and even trusted friends to buy things on his behalf. He also stuffed cash into walls, buried it in fields. He would build apartments, clubs, or even soccer stadiums and claim he made money from real estate investments, when in reality that money came from selling drugs. Example 2. Sani Abacha was a military ruler. During his time in power, he stole an estimated $5 billion from the people of Nigeria. Yes, billion money that was meant for roads, hospitals, and schools. So how did he do it? Abacha used his position to steal public funds through fake contracts, bribes, and government deals. Then, to hide the stolen money, he moved it into foreign bank accounts in countries like Switzerland, Luxembourg, and the UK, but he didn't put it in his own name. He used fake names, frontmen, and secret companies to hide the money trail. Years after his death, countries started freezing these secret bank accounts. So far, over $3 billion has been recovered, but much of it is still hidden. But here's the good news. Many countries have passed strong laws that make it harder to move illegal money. Banks are required to check where large amounts of money come from, and they must report anything suspicious. There are also international groups like the FATF that help countries work together to catch money launderers. If this video helped you learn something new, give it a like and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know which topic would you like us to simplify next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.